In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ledger in Zoho Books. Managing your business finances effectively is crucial, and Zoho Books offers a streamlined way to oversee your financial transactions. One of the fundamental tools you'll work with in Zoho Books is the ledger, housed within the chart of accounts. Let's dive into the process of setting up your own ledger so you can track your company's financials with ease. First, you'll want to log in to your Zoho Books account, ensuring you're accessing the correct organization if you manage more than one. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find the Accountant module, a comprehensive hub where you can manage various financial records and reports for your business. Click on this module to expand its options. Within these options, you'll locate the chart of accounts. Go ahead and click on it. The chart of accounts serves as a comprehensive listing of every account used by your organization, such as assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. It's like your financial toolbox, ready for you to use to construct your financial statements. Now that you're at the chart of accounts, it's time to add a new account. Look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the plus New Account button. Click on this button to open a pop-up window where you'll provide the details for your new ledger entry. Here, you'll begin by selecting the account type. This could be anything from expense or income to asset or liability, depending on what best fits the account you're creating. Choosing the right type is crucial, as it will dictate how transactions are categorized in your financial reports. Next, you'll need to enter a unique account name. This is particularly important because it allows you to quickly identify this account in the future. So choose a name that is clear and descriptive. If you'd like, you can also enter an account code. While this step is optional, adding a code can help streamline your accounting processes, especially if you're managing a large number of accounts. You might also include a description. This added detail can be immensely helpful not just for your understanding, but also for anyone else reviewing the accounts, as it provides context about what the account is used for. Once you're satisfied with all the information you've entered, click Save to create the new account in your ledger. Congratulations, you've now successfully created a ledger in Zoho Books. This new account will now appear in your chart of accounts, where you can begin entering transactions associated with this account. Regular monitoring and updating your ledger are key to maintaining accurate and up-to-date financial records. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your business accounting practices with Zoho Books.